Me mama nyina akwaba bio ya senhia de edi kan me da me subscribers for nyina asinya me nhira mo ankasa enti de me o henne e simple ye di stay recipes are simple and quick if you are hot cross buns yesu no hot cross buns one penny to a penny hey and you me no to so come ya come to actually and really about be a hot cross buns a full of flavor enti be so je wakonya na ohwesi na me pese me nkwa medie da wo be so try na catch them enti dia me wo ha eni dia me wo ha strong white flour and 500 grams and I'm 1 large egg and I'm sugar near 100 grams and me peels no orange and lemon peels dry I ton shop and so and also 50 grams and when so ya sultanas and 120 grams into the ope bia betimi so and we 1 orange ye here zest no and we say skimmed milk 300 milliliters and we extra flour bread flour just for that same cake so we mixed spice so go on more so me o can mix spice me hu ne ochen enu ni so and na me be use cinnamon enu so ni so enti shop bia eton na mixed spice no me be use 1 full tablespoon ba ko say and na cinnamon ne so me use 1 teaspoon na ni mielo powerhouse original den chobubu ma pepe bi enti e fe picture so and na me yeast me use the oko shop bia yeast bia betumi use me use 1 satchet which is 7 grams so enti enu and na me salt to taste and me salt near half a teaspoon and I we say melted butter 50 grams so enti I was so one and enti enu eni na de edi kan no de me ani say wo salt any mo yeast wo de ye bibia mani mi enu ni nkanhia enti de me ani say me bie esam nim nam de salt na gu ase na maka esam na gu so na fa odu yeast no so 7 grams na wo hwie ni no so na wa fa 1 tablespoon of mixed spice no open mo afa gum ehwaman kasa ye kama now the 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and so eguso. Now if you have sugar 100 grams no and so eguso. Now o milk no hwe say lukewarm to say dem fan say nsu abetun dey dware akola na do nsa betun ato. O ma na too hot ma yeast no rise it so now if you beat 1 egg and also we say room temperature and my dough near very nice. Now for the egg no abegu warm milk now we beating in they say the me and say afa na make dry ingredient ni na afra so now if we for orange no for modern so be wo ho no ma dry ho na che say zest no and as I say thing. And say I say the kutu my treating na so come on. So over prep ni na. Na fe waka ni nyina afra. Na fe we bie mu say so na we hwie wo milk no egu any 1 egg no. Now the melted butter and so egu. And say baby I made you want some the new money in egu nansa na me mix ya chero no. Ma so me oven light no. But say be mama heater e be my improve ni ama me ntem na ma etu ntem mama so until say no one say make me shey ni na afra. So no aka cake machine na ubetumi use ana bread maker na me pese me kire mo basics na nsana say be ya on kan kire original say uni machine so ti no easy recipe ubetumi do nsai They say baby I made you afi wo don sa. So now can boss so bro. Emie and baby afi near dey beto board me so work top na ye. So wọ́n send your mixture aye kama. Na wọ́n orange zest na wo mu no. Wọ́n aye kama na ahehwam no wọ́n. Hey! Jayo ebe koyi. Inti no. Me romain sana fi atwas. They say dia me nyina ne se wo extra bread flour. Now they are dash still work top. Na see where you make shani nyina. And they say how dem me do ya na for dey samni bi apete so na afi na wo ba be work you do yi so now can fresh you. And they say how say ne do ya I very smooth. Na afi wo be work no so na ye ni say afa ni ade ya sultanas no ene ya orange and lemon peels no e ba be fra so me dini na ahihiem sisi na afi o san work no na nini na akohihiem ntiswa no esami memia no ama no ahu se original eye no ho adwuma kama so na ye kama so fruit na na hihiem yi na nihwam no na bobo no na brodo no be wie na yese nokom enti baby amedi eno anso afa bo wa na chese ode oil spray ana se butter egu so di gumu a se be ya ode wo bread mix ni tumu a enkikem so no ya fifi Ron sani aya kama nti osa wo hwe se sani etie ebe double up papa na chese ye ba beto aso nti we ya sama wie bi na wo ya eno ani se wudi si wa eni half an hour late but se wie mo enua so wo so wo oven na dia to 120 no wo do be 5 minutes na wo jakania na sisi wo se heat na wo be ma ide 2 amount nti we ko she oven anya se me tu se be ba 2 amount na ya to aso enko baby ya family duwe na ise mi wa ni ya to aso nto me dia she oven ni masoka ni ane keke min so oven na ese wa kan tumbro na chesa ye adwuma enti se hwese ni edo ya yo fa me fench hwese ni aye won say arise kama yi we na chi na nihwam na me ye bread bia so wa ho o best result no arise say no wa ho na wa san aye ni say se be be san tu akom so wa ho tu be ni say bio eno ne be ma brodo na ye kama ye be fine papa yes what done ni say no wa san de claim for my faso on to why ni say wie no wa san de si ho no ama na say tu abaso ansan wa betwitwa no wa bo eno ne be ma bo hu so bread no texture no be so nice very light to me the shape ni ato aso just say ready do na san you on a sunrise enti me san de si ho no be 20 minutes beyond so enti so say ni ai sunrise come on As I said, there me and Nana sent me the flour and the goose so worked up and half away who brought the nut. Me chemu 15. They said there me and Nancy me there some famine sim. What me a rolling say so I walk board no so. Like I say, why you say? Well, back come. I say we fruit no ya no piashe. Na dia to. Ba say na easy mama ncho de to pa mo a no why you say. Mama nya ne brown chill. Wo ka shame. We'll come back see. He said, "Dear me," and say, "May the clean film fast so." Now me oven light in it that susi so. Na just say, "May the share and now so one place here." Now they see on the match say I sound double in size and sound I have to me shame me actually. If the son is say a Buns I come too fun. So now say near me what I say I 3 tablespoons of plain flour. Now the sio kakra egum. What they make say no near they buy a crossy. They say baby I made you know and some of the piping back so now they are shut up. They say vamos a niae. And I'm giving my for scissors. Now what channel on the kids swear. I bet me a pipe. When you did cross you, so I'm not naturally used to cross you. So now I say, Papa, I come. She may be on something I'm castle to be a lesson, but to a message until now I find it's myself oven or maybe at 170 degrees, maybe shame for 18 minutes. Like I said, maybe into the shape we actually. Now they are show middle oven. If you send your Buns here, hot cross Buns power. You send your camera, they are very light and it's hot. Now the smell in the house in the day, and yes, I'm kitu. I hear him make spice in cinnamon. Now the me what I say, apricot jam on for the glazing. Ube to me use syrup and I said the opebia. She no one as well. Now they are fast. And my name is na. Hey, wait, I'm a friend auntie. Auntie na is so cool. If you send your cross Buns here, me dey a apricot jam here. No send me I come. To no one say we. Come now. Will be a 2 coolie racks. Ah. Shall cross Buns hot cross Buns baby. One why you when you are a classy to the mammy chop clean chill. wash. Very light, very light. Major apple margarine. Oh, what's a Ghana? Ah, dear film. Hey, where do you? Hey, where do you make shampoo? I did. Me and I'm here so where me I come for me. My yard dear, until so Buns and mommy. Now so over money I saw better try. Na jam a comment now to me once and ma. Na dear me and when each one. No, I'm a Tom Santa. Now mamma will say, when each junior may be saved. Now my ye be up to more recipes to do. I say this. So there could ye. Internet near me did jam with ye hour. Where they are coming papa. Me auntie to a member, and me a member penny for. Yes, sir, we are Juma, we are Juma, we have Mamma, and then Colano. So if it's a Jessica and a yard now, I told the beer, Obusika, and so any time I crowd their money remember. So never many gave me 50, but money I said, you work Easter season, I celebrate Easter, the February, no family, so in that time. Martin as more reflect on the things you have to do for the future. I know I'm in jam. Until you are subscribing to this channel, now we do a thing come say I took pan on hot cross buns, Papa say Mama, but money are subscribing, never notification bell to so say be your upcoming videos from Sabeka. Until happy Easter, all the best.